Hello, this video is to show you how to use our Invpro mobile app to create a grid receive note from your purchase order to do your receiving, and also split the PO if the delivery quantity is not fully fulfilled the purchase order quantity. I have created purchase order, which is consists of 2 items with 100 cartons each to demo how our system will split order for the partially received quantity. So now log in to our mobile app, click receiving. In this page, you will see all the good received note with the draft status, WIP in progress status, completed, and void status. Okay, click add button and then click the create from PO. Only the WIP status purchase order will be showing in this page. Click to select the purchase order. You will see all the header details from the purchase order will be copied to this good received note, including the document code, the division, vendor, and also the remarks. Key in the vendor DO number or any reference number. And you may also enter additional remarks. Then click Save and Continue. A new good received note in draft status will be created with the purchase order number. These are the header details of the good received note. Click on the Items tab to start add your receiving items. You may click Add button to search the item, to search by item code or description to add the item to the good received note. Or click on this button to start scanning the receiving item. System default to show the division main location as the location. You can click the drop-down list to change the location if you want. If you need to maintain the batch number for this item, you can click to select the existing active batch number, or you can click on the add button to add the new batch number for the item. Then key in serial number if you have, and also the expiry date. Click Save. Key in the received quantity of the item. For example, for this delivery, I only received partially quantity, which is 50 cartons. Then add item. Item is successfully added to the good received note. Continue to scan to receive the subsequent item. If you do not need to maintain the batch number for this item, you can just leave it as a no batch here, and then key in the received quantity. Item is added to the good received note. After added, user is still allowed to click on the item to edit on the item details. For example, I want to change the quantity to 60, and then click edit item to save the changes. User also allowed to delete the item by long press on the item line, and then click on the delete button to remove the item line from the list. Where admin can always go to the purchasing, saving to check the good received note created. Please take note that the original purchase order will always staying at this receiving from purchase order section until all the purchase order quantity are completed received. Scroll down, you will be able to find the draft GRN that you created just now for this purchase order. Click edit, you'll be able to view all the details that we entered just now, and also the item lines we added just now. This is partially received quantity item. Okay, back to the mobile. After the receiving are done, go to details, click confirm goods received to confirm the GRN. GRN will then updated to WIP status. User will no longer able to edit the WIP status GRN. In web, good received note status also updated to the WIP status, and the received quantity will be directly updated and reflect in the item inventory stock balance. This is the 50 carton that we added just now. And also for this item, this is the 100 carton that we received just now. When user confirm good receipt note in mobile, system will always compare the received quantity against the purchase order quantity. For our case, this item is just partially received the order quantity. So the system will split the order and generate a new PO with the PO number ending with #1. So user can differentiate that this new PO is split from the original PO, and the splitter PO will be updated as completed status, and original PO will remain at WIP status with the outstanding quantity balance. Back to the receiving page. You will see the original PO will still remaining staying in this page pending to receive all the purchase order quantity. User has the options to either wait for the second delivery to fulfill all the order quantity balance, or user can proceed to cancel the outstanding order quantity by click on this cross button to update the original purchase order status to unfulfilled order, or user can click to open the purchase order to void the purchase order. Purchase order will then remove from this page and showing as void or unfulfilled status in manage purchase order page. Let's continue to create a new GRN for the second delivery of the outstanding quantity for the purchase order. Go to the receiving, click add, create from PO, select the purchase order, and then enter the render number or any reference number. Click save and continue. New good receipt note is created. Tap on items, scan on the item to do the receiving. Select the batch number. This time I would like to receive all the outstanding balance quantity to fulfill the purchase order quantity. Click item. Okay, go to details. Click confirm good receipt to confirm the good receipt note. Let's go back to check the good receipt note in web. Now you can see the purchase order has been removed from this page. This is because all the outstanding balance of the purchase order has been fulfilled. When there's no more any outstanding quantity pending to be received from for the purchase order, system will not split the order but directly update to the original purchase order. Refresh, and you can see the original purchase order status has been updated to completed. And the item received quantity is updated and reflected in the inventory. Let's look at the good receipt note. This is the good receipt note that we created just now to fulfill all the outstanding purchase order quantity. So now from here, web admin they can continue the process as usual to generate the purchase invoice. From here, web admin can select the good receipt note and transfer to generate the purchase invoice.